What's up, Filecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I present with the latest update of the Filecoin. What's the current price of Filecoin? What's the price change occurring in the Filecoin? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, because ABS Tech channel give you the latest update of the Filecoin, and you will be feel very happy with if you connect it with the ABS Tech channel, my friends. Stay connected with the ABS for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's move on and let's see what's the current update. Let's see. So my friends, first of all, we look the latest price of the Filecoin in the market. 68.76 USD dollar is the latest price of the Filecoin in the market. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Filecoin, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is negative. The price changes occur in the Filecoin is gone wrong. Only the last 1 hour pricing is positive, my friends. Let's see the price chart. What's going on? You know what, you can see here in the start of May and the start of previous month, you can see here on the 2nd May, 3rd May, 7th May, the price of the Filecoin is continuously jump now, like a straight line. They fast down. You can see here goes straight fast down, my friends. So absolutely that's a very bad news for all Filecoin holders, but now I have a good news for all of you, my friends. Remember, on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, and on the basis of cryptocurrency's rules, after a fast zeros jump, the Filecoin is continuously fast down from the previous last 1 month. And now, on the basis of technical analysis, my prediction is that they will take a huge pump in the start of June, in the start of 1st June, my friends. They will take the huge pump. Remember that. That's my prediction. Now, how do you feel about the Filecoin? Please tell me in the comment box. And remember, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.